So you want to download Moving Out on your PC without overspending? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game on the official platform without overspending. So what we will do, we will open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game without overspending. So quickly go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time over there. We are searching for the game Moving Out. Now select the game, open the game page and scroll a little bit down, and then you will find out that the game on Steam is €22.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says Find Game Here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Moving Out. Select that and then select games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and now you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so always make sure this text is marked green. This is very important. After that you can select the game, and once you have opened the game page you will find out that we can already download this game for just €2.12 compared to the Steam price of €22.99. That will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. So once you have purchased this game for just €2.12 on this website, you will receive a Steam key to activate this game within your Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!